In this video, I'm going to share with you a package I received in the mail today. So if you're interested in finding out more, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. This is your first time visiting my channel. Welcome. I am so glad you're here. If you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a haul, a mail haul that I received today. So if you're interested in seeing what I received, you know what to do. Stick around. Here's the package, and I've already cut it open so it'll be easier to find out what's in it. And it is some makeup. I ordered these palettes and I am so excited they came in. It's from Juvias. I ordered 3 of them. I have the Warrior and then the Warrior 2, which I really like the colors. And then I have the, what is this? The Nomad by Juvias. Now here I'm showing you the swatches. And I think the colors are very pigmented. I can't wait to do a makeup look with this palette. The colors are beautiful. Now here is the Warrior. Pretty cover. And these colors, like I said again, very pigmented. These are more fall colors in the neutral stage, and I really like those. I can't wait to use that copper and do my eyes up with that copper. And then the last palette is the Warrior 2. I love their covers. They're just so pretty, so vibrant. And then the colors here are more matte, but I like that because that gives me a lot of ideas on a lot of eye creations that I could be doing here soon. So I know I am going to have fun playing in these palettes. Now again, here are the 3 palettes. I'm going to have fun playing with them. And if you enjoyed my content, won't you hit that subscribe button, sit down below, and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified when I upload something new. Again, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying you be blessed.